Hi friends, welcome to TNPC Power. Today நம்ம book back questions பார்க்கலாம். 6th standard social இருக்கிற book back questions and answers பார்க்கலாம். So first historyல உள்ள book back பார்க்கலாம். Lesson number 1, what is history? So book back questions answers பார்க்கலாம். First choose the correct tab. What was the step taken by the early man to collect his food? Option B, hunting. Next, match the statement with the reason. Statement: prehistoric man went along with the dog for hunting. Reason: dogs with its sniffing power would find out other animals. ஸோ இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்க ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்டும் கரெக்ட் தான், ரீசனும் கரெக்ட். ஏன்னா டாகுக்குன்னு ஒரு ஸ்னைஃபிங் பவர் இருக்கும், அதை வச்சு ஃபவுண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணலாம் என்ன. ஸோ அதர் அனிமல்ஸ் ஃபவுண்ட் பண்ணலாம். இது வந்து அந்த காலத்தில் ஹண்டிங்க்கு கூட்டிகிட்டு போவாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் பார்க்கலாம். The object used by the early man or excavator. They are preserved to know the style of the people. Find out which of the following is related to statement. So இந்த buried materials ரிலேட்டடா இருக்கு. ஆப்ஷன் பி, burial materials. ஸோ ராங் பேர் என்னன்னு ஃபவுண்ட் பண்ணோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின்ல cats first domesticated, இது வந்து ராங் பேர். Next question, find the odd one. The paintings were painted by using many colors. So four statement கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Paintings were drawn on rocks and caves. There were paintings depicted hunting scenes. It was drawn to show his family members about hunting. The painting were painted by using many colors. Idhula odd one. Answer. Next, fill in the blanks பார்க்கலாம். The old Stone Age man lived mostly in answer cave. Dash is the father of history. Herodotus is the father of history. Dash was the first animal named by old Stone Age man. Dog was the first animal named by old Stone Age man. Inscriptions are dash sources, reliable sources. Dharma Chakra has spokes, 24 spokes. Dharma Chakra has 24 spokes. So next பார்ப்போம், true or false. Stone tools belonging to old Stone Age have been excavated at Athirapakkam near Chennai. Answer true. The materials used by the Asian people are preserved in the museum by the archaeological department. Answer true. During the period of Ashoka, Buddhism spread across the country. Answer true. Next matching பார்ப்போம். Rock paintings, the most famous king. Written records, Devaram. Ashoka, to understand the lifestyle. Religious literature, copper plates. So first lesson book back தான். Next lesson பார்ப்போம். Next unit 2 human evolution, அதோட book back என்னன்னு பார்க்கலாம். Choose the correct answer. The process of evolution is C, gradual. Tanzania is situated in the continent of option B, Africa. So next, match the statement with the reason கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Statement, migration of man of different parts of the world resulted in changes of physics and color. Reason, climatic changes. So the statement and reason ரெண்டுமே correct தான். Option C, statement and reason are correct. So next questionல பார்த்தோம்னா rock pair found out பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. So Australopithecus walked on both legs. Homo habilis, upright man. Homo erectus, wise man. Homo sapiens, less protruding face. So இதில் ஆப்ஷன் B, C, D எல்லாமே வந்து wrong pair தான். Homo habilis, handy man வரும். Homo erectus, upright man. Homo sapiens, wise man. அதான் correct answer. But இங்க ஆப்ஷன் B, C, D எல்லாமே wrong pair. Next, filling the blanks. Dash unearthed the footprints of humans in Tanzania. Mary Leakey. Mary Leakey unearthed the footprints of humans in Tanzania. Millions of years ago, our ancestors led a dash life. Difficult life. The main occupations of the ancient humans were dash and dash, hunting and gathering. The invention of dash made farming easier. Invention of cotton gin made farming easier. Rock paintings are found out dash in Neelagiris. Rock paintings are found at Vellarikombai in Neelagiris. So next, true or false பார்ப்போம். Anthropology is the study of coins. False. Homo erectus, Java man had the knowledge of fire. Answer, true. The first scientific invention of humans was wheel. False. Goat was the first animal to be domesticated by humans. True. Okay, இந்த லெசனோட book back over. Next lesson பார்ப்போம். Unit number 3, Indus Civilization. So choose the correct answer. What metals were known to the people of Indus civilization? Copper, bronze, silver, gold, but not iron. Option A, copper, bronze, silver, gold, but not iron. Indus civilization belonged to which age? Old Stone Age, Medieval Stone Age, New Stone Age, Metal Age. Option D, Metal Age. River valleys are said to the cradle of civilization because soil is very fertile. Option A, soil is very fertile. Match the statement with the reason. Harappan civilization is said to be an urban civilization. Reason, it has well-planned cities with advanced drainage system. So statement to correct, reason to correct. So option A, statement and reason are correct. Another statement, Harappan civilization belongs to Bronze Age. Reason, Harappans did not know the use of iron. So statement and reason also correct. Option A. Next statement, the engineering skill of Harappans was remarkable. Reason, building of docks after a careful study of tides, waves and currents. So here also the statement and reason both are correct. Option A. Which of the following statement about Mohenjo-daro is correct? So Mohenjo-daro related statement, gold ornaments were unknown. Option A. Gold ornaments were unknown. Next question. Consider the following statement. Uniformity in layout of town streets and brick sizes. The next one, an elaborate and well laid out drainage system. Granaries constituted an important part of Harappan system. The above all the three statements are correct. So option B. So odd one என்னன்னா circle out பண்ணணும். இங்க oxen, sheep, buffaloes, pigs, horses. Horses தான் circle பண்ணணும். Find out the wrong pair. So ASI, John Marshall, Citadel, Granaries, Lothal, Dockyard, Harappan Civilization, River Kaveri. So option D the wrong pair. The next one, fill in the blanks. Dash is the oldest civilization, Harappan. Archaeological Survey of India was founded by whom? Archaeological Survey of India was founded by Alexander Cunningham. Dash used to store grains. Granaries used to store grains. Group of people from Dash. Group of people from civilization. So next, true or false Papa. Mehergarh is a Neolithic site. Answer, true. Archaeological Survey of India is responsible of preservation of cultural monuments in the country. Answer, true. Granaries were used to store grains. Answer, true. Earliest form of writing was developed by Chinese. No, it's false. Answer, false. So next, match the following Papo. Mohenjo-daro, Mount of Dead. Bronze is an alloy. Citadel, raised platform. Cornelian, red quartz stone. So இதோட இந்த third unit book back over. Next பார்ப்போம். Fourth unit book back questions பார்ப்போம். Choose the correct answer. Which of the following region has a city more than 6,500 years old? Option B, Indus Valley. Which one of the following is a Tamil city? Iraq illa, Harappa illa, Mohenjo-daro illa. Option D, Kanjipuram. Which city is not related to the Bay of Bengal? So Madurai. Option B. Water management system of Tamils are known from? Option A, Kallanai. Which is not the old city among the following ones? Chennai. Which city is related to Keeladi excavation? Option A, Madurai. Next, matching statement with reason. Statement 1. Goods were imported and exported from the city of Pumbuhar. Reason. Bay of Bengal was suitable for trading with neighboring countries. So option A, statement correct, reason correct. So option B, statement and reason are correct. So second one, Tirunavukkarasar said, Kalviyil Kara illada. This statement refers to the city Kanjipuram. Option B, Hyun Sang said, Kanjipuram is one of the 7 scared places of India. Kalidasa said, Kanjipuram is the best city among cities. ஸோ இதில் பார்த்தோன்னா ஆப்ஷன் ஏபிசி எல்லாமே கரெக்ட், எல்லா இன்ஃபர்மேஷனும் கரெக்ட் தான். நெக்ஸ்ட் கரெக்ட் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் வந்து ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ நாலங்காடி நைட் ஷாப் கரெக்ட் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் ஆப்ஷன் ஏ. Find out the wrong statement. Mahanthus has mentioned Madurai in his account. Hyun Sang came to the Tamil city of Kanjipuram. Kovalan and Kannahi lived in Kanjipuram. Iraq is mentioned in Pattinapalai. Wrong statement is option D. Iraq is mentioned in Pattinapalai. Find out correct pass. Option D. City of Temples, Kanjipuram is correct pair. Find out wrong pair. Vadamalai is gold is the wrong pair. Option A. Next one, fill in the blanks. Kanji Kailasanath temple was built by whom? Kanji Kailasanath temple was built by Rajasimha. Dash is known as the city of temples. Kanjipuram is known as the city of temples. Mastuvan means big traders. Mastuvan means big traders. Next one, true or false questions. Cultural relationship with the outside world developed in Bumbuhar because of its trade relationship with it. Answer true. Next question. Women also purchased from Alangadi of Madurai without fear. Answer true. Many rock cut temples were made during the Pallava period. Answer true. Bodhidharma belonged to Kanjipuram. Answer true. Okay, this 4th unit book back also over. Next, geography first lesson, the universe of the and the old and the solar system book back பார்க்கலாம். First one, filling the blanks. The universe was formed after dash explosion. Big Bang explosion. Dash is the unit is used to measure the distance between two celestial bodies. Astronomical unit. Dash is the center of the solar system. Sun is the center of the solar system. The word planet means dash celestial body. Dash planet has many natural satellites. Jupiter planet has many natural satellites. India first ever mission to the moon is Chandrayaan. India first ever mission to the moon is Chandrayaan. Earth is inclined by dash degrees. Earth is inclined by 215 degrees. The equator faces the sun directly on 21st March and 23rd September. When the equator faces the sun directly, 21st March and 23rd September. At the time of perihelion, the earth is dashed to the sun. At the time of perihelion, the earth is closest to the sun. The line which divides day and night on the earth's surface is dash. The line which divides the day and night on the earth's surface is termination. Next, choose the correct answer. The movement of the earth on its axis is called option C, rotation. The Tropic of Capricorn faces the sun directly on option D, December 22. The galaxy in which our solar system is found. Option C, Milky Way. The only celestial body where man has successfully landed. Option B, Moon. Which of the following planets can float on water? Option B, Saturn. So circle the odd one out. First one la Venus. Second one la Sirius. Third one la Io. Third one la answer வந்து Io. Fourth one வந்து asteroids. Fifth one answer is rover. Next match the following பார்க்கலாம். Hottest planet is Venus. Ringed planet Saturn. Red planet Mars. Somersaulting planet Uranus. Coldest planet Neptune. So next following statements என்னன்னு கரெக்டான்னு பார்க்கணும். Correct answer choose பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. Venus rotates from east to west. The Tropic of Cancer faces to sun on June 21. Mars has rings around it. So option A, Venus rotates from east to west and Tropic of Cancer faces the sun on June 21. Option A 1 and 2 வரும். Next statement, the earth is called watery planet. Statement 2, the rotation of the earth causes season. No, the earth is called watery planet is right. The rotation of the earth causes season is wrong. Option A, statement 1 is true. Statement 2 is wrong. Name the following. Cluster of stars is galaxy. The nearest galaxy to the solar system, Andromeda. The brightest planet is Venus. The living sphere is biosphere. The year which has 366 days, leap year. So the next lesson, geography la book back paapom. Unit number 2, land and oceans. So choose the correct answer. Which one of the following is the smallest ocean on the earth? Option D, the Arctic Ocean. The Malacca Strait connects. Option C, the Pacific and Indian Oceans connect பண்ணும். Which of the following oceans is busiest ocean? Option B, Atlantic Ocean. The frozen continent is option C, Antarctica. A narrow strip of water that connects two larger water bodies. Strait. Option A, strait. Next one, filling the blanks. World largest continent is dash. The world largest continent is Asia. Dash is the mineral rich plateau in India. Peninsular is the mineral rich plateau in India. The largest ocean is dash. Pacific. The largest ocean is Pacific. Deltas are dash order landforms. Deltas are second order landforms. The island is dash. Australia. The island is dash. Australia. Next matching. The South Sandwich Trench. The South Ocean. The Milwaukee Trench. The Atlantic Ocean. Mariana Trench, Pacific Ocean. Eurasian Basin, Arctic Ocean. Java Trench, Indian Ocean. So following statements la correct answer என்னன்னு பார்க்கணும். First one, plains are formed by rivers. The South Sandwich Trench is found in the Indian Ocean. Plateaus have steep slopes. So option 1 and 3 is correct. Plains are formed by rivers. Plateaus have steep slopes. So another statement, mountains are second order landforms. The Mariana Trench is the deepest trench in the world. Both the statements are true. Option C is the correct answer. So next, civics la unit 1 understanding diversity book back பார்க்கலாம். So first one, choose the correct answer. India consists of dash states and dash union territories. India consists of 29 states and 7 union territories. India is known as none of this. India is known as none of this. Mizoram, the land of highest rainfall, is located in Meghalaya. Option D, Meghalaya. Which one of the following religion is not practiced in India? Option D, Confucianism. So, recognize the official languages of India as per 8th schedule of Indian Constitution. So, official languages 22. Option C, 22. Onam festival where celebrated? Onam festival is celebrated in option A, Kerala. And also the Mohiniyattam is the classical dance of Kerala. Discovery of India is a book written by Jawaharlal Nehru. Option D, Jawaharlal Nehru. The phrase the unity in diversity was coined by this also Jawaharlal Nehru. Option A, Jawaharlal Nehru coined the phrase unity in diversity. Smith called India as option B, unique land of diversities. Option B, unique land of diversities. Next one, filling the blanks. Geographical features and climatic conditions determine the human activities of region. Dash activities, human activities. Jaisalmer is the land of lowest rainfall. Where it is located? It is located in Rajasthan. Tamil was declared classical language in the year of 2004. Bigu festival is celebrated in Assam. Next one, matching. Negroes, Indian race. Coastal areas, fishery. Zoroastrianism, India. Unity is diversity, religion. So next lesson book back papom. Achieving equality. Choose the correct answer. Which one of the following is not the reason for prejudice? Option D, geography. Discrimination done on the basis of gender is referred as gender discrimination. Option A. Gender-based stereotypes are often portrayed in advertisements. Option B, advertisements. Name the book written by APJ Abdul Kalam. So option A, Abdul Kalam, and then Wings of Fire, India 2020. All of the books are written by Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam was conferred Bharat Ratna 1997 la he conferred the Bharat Ratna. Option A, 1997. Vishwanath Anand became India's first Grandmaster in the year 1988. Option D, 1988. Which sport Ilavalagi excels? Ilavalagi excels in option C, carom. Which article of the Constitution says discrimination against any citizen on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth is not permitted? Option B, 15 article 15(1) article says B.R. Ambedkar was conferred Bharat Ratna in the year 1990. ஸோ இங்கே அப்துல் கலாம் வந்து பாரத் ரத்னா வந்து எப்போ வாங்கினாங்க 1997. அண்ட் தென் அம்பேத்கர் வந்து பாரத் ரத்னா வந்து 1990. ஸோ 2 இயர்ஸ் வந்து நல்லா பார்த்துக்கோங்க, கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆகிருக்கும். ஸோ நல்லா பார்த்து வச்சுக்கோங்க. As per the 2011 census, the highest literate district on the Tamil Nadu, Kanyakumari. Option C, Kanyakumari. Fill in the blanks. People have false beliefs and ideas on others is called discrimination. APJ Abdul Kalam was born in 1931. Who was the first recipient of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, the India highest sport honor? Vishwanathan Anand. Who was the independent of India's first law minister? Ambedkar. As per 2011 census, the lowest sex ratio in Haryana. Next one, match the following. Prejudice. Treating someone less fairly than others. Stereotype. False view or idea about something. Discrimination. Judge other people negatively. Article 14 says equality before law. Article 17 says abolition of untouchability. So, 6th standard first term social book back questions over. So, thank you friends. Continuously book back question upload பண்ணுவேன் பாருங்க. Thank you friends.